In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Highlighting text in a PDF is a very handy feature, especially when reviewing lengthy documents or studying important materials. So let's get started and walk through these simple steps together to make the most of your PDF reviewing capabilities. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't already done so, launch the Adobe Acrobat Pro DC application on your computer. Once it's open, go ahead and locate the PDF file you want to work on. You can easily do this by navigating through your files or using the Open File option that's prominently displayed on the home screen. Select your document and it will open up in the application, ready for you to explore. Now that you have your PDF open, the next step is to find the highlight tool. Take a look at the toolbar, which is usually located at the top of the screen. You're looking for an icon that resembles a highlighter pen. It's typically easy to spot. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This activates the highlight functionality and prepares it for use. With the highlighting tool selected, you're ready to start highlighting text. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the text you'd like to emphasize. As you drag the mouse, you'll notice that the text becomes highlighted in a color, usually yellow by default. This visual cue helps in segregating the important information from the vast body of text. If you need to adjust your selection, you can easily click elsewhere and start the process again. A quick tip: if you've highlighted text and wish to change the color for better categorization or personal preference, you can adjust the color of your highlight. To change the color, right-click on the highlighted text, and a menu will appear with several options. Select Properties, and from there you can choose your preferred color from the palette that shows up. This feature helps in creating a well-organized and visually pleasing document. And there you have it. You've successfully highlighted text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This tool is wonderful for note-taking, document reviewing, or simply helping you and others focus on what's truly important in any given document. Remember, the more you use these tools, the more proficient you'll become at navigating your PDFs with speed and efficiency. Keep practicing, and soon enough you'll be a pro at highlighting in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to effectively use the highlight feature within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video useful, feel free to watch more of our tutorials for further learning and insight into maximizing your digital document experience. Until next time, happy highlighting.